Morning, grade 6. Today we're going to take a new lesson, 811, the geological time scale. Okay? Geological means geology, related to geology. Time scale means timeline. So we have seen that the Earth is about 4.5 billion years old. Geologists have divided up the enormous length of time between then and now into eras. Now, they divided the time from 4 million years ago, as you can see it here, until the time that we live in now. They divided them into eras. Okay, and each era is divided into a smaller time called a period. We'll get to this in a minute. So the chart below shows 3 eras. These longer times are called eras: the Paleozoic, the Mesozoic, and the Cenozoic. You can see that each era is divided into several periods. So these are called eras, these are called periods. You can write it down here. This is an era, and this is a period. Okay? Now, this is what we think the Earth looked like in the Carboniferous period. Now, each period was named according to the thing that was most known about it. So let's see here. Let's take one for an example. We have the Mesozoic era. We have the Jurassic period. The Jurassic period is where the dinosaurs lived. We have the Paleozoic era. We have the Carboniferous. It's when the carbon first was introduced to Earth. Okay? And each one of them has a meaning and has a time. And remember, we said we know the time of these things by the fossil record and by the age of rocks. How did the scientists decide that these eras are from this time to this time? From the fossil record and the rock age. Now these questions: what era we are living in today? We are living in the Quaternary era. How long ago did the Mesozoic era begin? This is the Mesozoic. It began 251 years ago and ended 65 million years ago. In which era did the Devonian period occur? We'll look here. Where's the Devonian? The period is here. It started in the Paleozoic era. So just why it's helpful to divide the Earth history into eras and periods. Now, what's the point of doing this? This is a lot easier to study the Earth, the age of the Earth, the animals that lived before us, the shape and the structure of the Earth. It's very helpful to know these things and to study them this way. It makes it a lot easier and more organized for us to study them like this.